gonna open this kid box.
Let's see the inside first.
And guess what? You can't see it right now. Guess what? My name is right in cursive.
Cursive.
It's fancy. So I'm gonna open the tissue box. Whoa, there's a bunch of different items. So let's get started. Ooh, I like this.
It's a fanny pack.
Yeah, I want this. It's cute. Looks like a mermaid kind of. Oh, I love this. This is so cute.
Let's see it.
I'm definitely wearing that. It looks like there's some bags in here. Ooh. This shirt is so unicorn stylish.
Weekends are the best.
Yeah, weekends are the best. Ooh, I got some new pants jeans. Look at these. Ooh.
So cute.
Ooh, let's do this. Has stuff inside it. We're gonna do this at the end of the video.
Okay, sounds good.
Geez, this shirt. Oh, it's a romper.
Turn around, let's see it.
I didn't know that.
Let me see the front. Looks like
Oh,
a dress.
actually, it's a dress. Sorry. Here it is. I like it. I'm keeping it. This looks like my Easter romper outfit. It looks cute like it.
Super cute.
This jean skirt, I love it. It's like a light blue, like a greenish, lightish bluish. Looks like we got one more item and then an envelope.
Turn it around.
Oh, it's a hoodie.
Turn it around. Let me see the front. Oh, super cute. It's a dress. It's a hoodie dress.
Yeah.
The shoes. Check them out.
Ready?
Last but not least,
Last but not least, the shoe box. Ooh, I'm cute. Oh. These are cheap silver.
hold them up so I can see. Turn to the side.
Oh, they have a zip.
They got studs on them.
Cute.
Way cool. Those are definitely your style.
If you had a box like this,